I don't know about you, but I get excited when things are moving, such as weekly leaks with regards to the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Samsung Unpacked event in general. And look, we almost have all marketing pictures leaked for every upcoming innovation Samsung is going to release by the end of July. Not only do we have plenty of pictures and information, but we can also see new colors and new watch faces for the Galaxy Watch 6 release. Well, lo and behold, we now have pricing for every single Galaxy Watch 6 model that is being released by the end of July. So you can already make a decision or sort of make a budget available if you desire one. Okay, Galaxy Watch 6 40mm, it is available in graphite and cream. Price is around 320 euros for the Bluetooth version, 370 for the 4G version, which stands for LTE. 44mm is available in graphite and silver. Pricing here is 350 for the Bluetooth version and 400 for the 4G/LTE version. And the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which is my personal favorite right here, this is the one I am going to get. 43mm is available in black and silver. It costs you around 420 euros for the Bluetooth version, 470 for the 4G/LTE version. And then we have the biggest one of them all, the 47mm. This is the one I'm going to get in black. It is available in black and silver though. The price is pretty hefty. It is 450 for the Bluetooth version and 500 for the top version for the 4G and LTE version. But please bear in mind that the LTE version, should you get one, will always get the updates late. So you will be paying the most of them all, but also get the updates at the latest point possible, unfortunately. And then there's the other thing Samsung does all over the world. For some reason, it is not really coordinated, but the colors may vary in different countries and may not be available for all of you. So Samsung does this all over the world. Don't know why, but let me know what your thoughts are for the pricing here. Let me know your thoughts below. It was a pleasure to see you again. Thank you for watching. Peace out.